Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, got another unboxing. This time it is an unboxing, not an unbagging. On Tuesday, I had the grandsons over here and they were watching some videos and stuff, and I made a dish from my prepper pantry. I made some beans with some 1 pound of ground beef, some Bush's baked beans and stuff, and I flavored it up with some other additives. And I went to my cabinet to get out some something in particular. I didn't have any, and I had to use something else in there that had some sugar in it that I didn't want to use. So I went and ordered something, and it came. So this is for my prepper pantry. I've had this in my wish list for a while. I just haven't ordered something this big of it. This is from Olive Nation. It's maple extract, 4 ounces. So 4 ounces maple extract. What would be good about this is I got to get a one of the tincture bottles sets you can get. I got it saved. But they're little 1 ounce bottles with the eyedropper in it. And what I want to do with this, is when I do the oatmeal, that way I can just put a couple drops of the maple flavoring in it, and it doesn't have to have sugar in it like you buy the instant oatmeal with the brown sugar maple flavoring in it and stuff, and it's it's loaded with sugar and stuff. I want something sugar free, so this will help. I need to flavor the oatmeal so I don't get food fatigue over oatmeal, and it will make it, just make it taste a whole lot better. So, but yeah, this is cool. This is actually a good price. It actually had dropped when I added it to my my wish list. So I will put the link to this, if I remember, down in the description. If I forget to put it right down near the top of the description, make a comment, where's the link, and I'll immediately put it in there. All right. So, what else here? I got some interesting news coming up here. On Friday the 27th, here on Camppatton Family Compound, and I'm going to do a simulcast over to Gray Man Prepping as well. We will have Dr. Paula Ruffin. Mispronounced her name. Ruffin. She will be on. She's been on TEDx, did a live on TEDx, and she will be here on the compound Friday night, the 27th. And so come check her out. And she'll. We haven't decided what she's going to do. Question and answers. She probably will, but she has a presentation. She's going to be talking about nutrition, prepping for winter, vitamins, and that sort of thing. Basically, some good health stuff. All right, so we'll see you there. The link is already up in YouTube, so you can go to it, look at it, and set the reminder so you get notified for it. Take care, and I'll see you around.